Hi, I'm Tori, and my term for exploring performance studies is liminality. So I pulled a lot of different definitions from a lot of different sources, and they pretty much told me the same thing, but in a lot of different ways. So I pulled a couple definitions from dictionary websites stating that liminality is a state of transition between one stage and the next, and especially in between two stages in one's life or during like a rite of passage. So that basically means one person starts out in one stage of their life, whether it be a stage like childhood, teenage, or adulthood, or between any other stages, such as like mental health or physically or anything like that. And another dictionary said intermediate between two states. And then I also heard people call it an adjective, stating that it can mean in between, bounded, or hybrid. And also a YouTube video that students in Australia at a college, they all gave their opinion about, or their perspective about the term, and they also described it the same way. One of them described it as kind of like a doorway, so you're not in one room or the other room, you're like right in the middle, and it's kind of a transition period into going to a different location. And sometimes it can't be defined, or there's a lack of clarity wherever that phase or location is. So that is how they described the term. My first example of liminality is Hogwarts. So this is an example that Joseph Michael was talking about in his peer-reviewed article on JSTOR. And he says that it's a liminal space because they are projected outside of society and symbolize a borderland through which the protagonist or a community of liminal beings passes to re-enter structure. So what I got from that whole sentence is that it is a bridge to a solution, and Harry Potter uses Hogwarts to become a better wizard, or to become an adult and a more mature, educated person, and to also use Hogwarts and what he gets from that location to solve all of the problems in his society and even at home as well. My second example is adolescence, and like I was talking about before, it can also be stages of life and transitioning between and going back and forth between those phases. So I know that this is a transitional period, and whenever we think of being a teenager, we think of going through hormones or going through a lot of different changes in life because we're becoming adults. So there is an end goal, and there's also an initial stage. So adolescence would be a transitional period, so it would be a liminal stage as well. My final and last example of liminality is elevators and stairs. I wanted to include an example that is physical and not only a fictional space or a non-animate idea. So people travel from one floor to or a location to another, so it is a transitional place in which the purpose of it is to change locations. A car would be a liminal space as well. So when I tie it to oral interpretation, I believe that in many performances, the character transforms into a different person throughout the performance, and so they are a different character at the end than they first start performing as. And that is just going through all of the storyline and all of the pieces that they offer. So, for example, if a person is performing as a transgender or a person transitioning of becoming a different gender, then the person that they are in the beginning wouldn't be the same in the end. So would be completely a liminal period or a liminal oral interpretation, because it is in between two different states of being. And there may be circumstances that are not as obvious, and there may be different examples, such as like a girl who's recovering from an abusive relationship. And so in the beginning, like someone may do an oral interpretation about like the girl would be not be healthy physically or mentally and be insecure, but throughout the performance in the very end, she's more confident in herself and independent. So that transitional period, both mentally and maybe physically, would be liminal. And then I also mentioned again about my second example that being a teenager and going through like teenage like progressions and going through that transition would also be a liminal stage as well, or a liminal oral interpretation. And these are my references. And that's it. All right, thank you.